I want your name. Watch me now, 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 now. Everybody for your box, everybody for your move. Mr. Y'all, Mr. Young, in a dancing juice. Everybody to the goose, step in, step in. We are in a car loose, step in, step in. People know me clean anytime when they come out. Me think them different, me start can't run out. And another regular, this can't burn out. Hotter than your area, hotter than the sun out. Move to the music, move to the music. Turn it up, 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 up till you lose it. Never confuse, abuse, now refuse it. I record dance all different churn of the music. So me see the young and the old, them a lose control. And the music bring the joy to them, so watch me. Turn it up, turn it up. So we roll, just listen keen to what the story unfold. Watch me now, 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 now. Yeah, yeah. What if when me say step out, me did a step back? What if me never smoke weed and I smoke crack? What if me never master my craft? Business lock, wonder how them girl ya woulda react. What if me did a bleach fit on brown because me black? What if me tattoo me eye, me face, me neck and I'm back? What if me was the type of person fi murder me friend because him borrow me strap and not bring it back? What if me did a grab purse and a broke shop? Police pull me over and me vehicle full of strap. Big shootout, you say turf skull crack. Simple mean I woulda made this man the microphone a chat. What if we never have selectors and this track? You probably woulda never hear this track. What if when me say watch out for this, you never watch out for that? Me get the blessing from the Father up at top. You never know. What if your best friend turn you forward? If tomorrow morning Jamaica starts to snow? What if that's how the story go? Yeah, you never know. What if you pray for pound or euro and you find yourself with a container full of dough? What if before you spend the first time your brain blow? What if one day them never sell me out to the cops? What if me never get 6 months and come back? What if the thing set the next way and the boy with his conscience dead the next day? What if me stop DJ and chat about me war up? What if me follow some of them fool a chat crap? What if tomorrow I shine and find out say a career it a go flop and then a foot type she a feel link back? What if Jamaica never hold it? I am
Čo sa to tu deje, halo?
Opa.
To videla dcera, ale je. Čo sa deje? Ja čakám na hudbu. V pohode?
No, sa neunaví pri tom. Že si to dala 100%?
No to už ne, ale... A dobre, to bolo najlepšie, to vyzeralo, jak to predtým.